Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You must first confirm you own or have lawful authority over the item. This avoids legal trouble and wasted effort. Once you have ID and proof, record the lock model and any markings. That speeds professional help. Do not attempt to bypass or break the mechanism. Damaging it can void warranties and create safety hazards. Instead, make clear notes about the situation, because accurate information makes the next step, contacting the right service, faster and more effective for you. Next, contact official channels. The manufacturer can sometimes provide reset or replacement procedures for plastic locks, and they may authenticate you over the phone. If that fails, call a licensed locksmith, request proof of license and an estimate, and ask about non-destructive entry methods. Once you choose a provider, schedule an appointment, and if possible, stay present to verify identity and oversee the process. This preserves the lock and your property value while resolving access legally. Finally, let the professional complete the unlocking. They'll explain what they did and offer a receipt or report. If the lock is damaged, photograph it, keep invoices, and contact the seller or warranty provider promptly. If access still fails, check simple fixes first. Replace batteries in electronic units or verify a spare key, because those resolve many issues. If any step seems suspicious or unsafe, pause and ask for identification. Your safety and legal protection come first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.